go!
We forgot something. Stop, stop.
Oh, oh, wait a bit, my dear. Let us make some simple rules clear. Brush your teeth every day, do it carefully. Brush your teeth and then play when your teeth are clean. Brush your teeth every day, that is so easy. My white teeth smile to you, and your one smile to me. Great!
Our teeth are so clean, hip hooray.
Still something is not okay. Oh, oh, wait a bit, my dear. Let us make some simple rules.
This project should be undertaken with adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
My hair?
Don't panic, we'll fix it.
But how? Easy peasy. These will make perfect hair curlers. We simply take one hair strand and attach a curler. Like this. Just wait a bit, then take them off and you're stunning! Amazing. Thank you.
Resist this feeling. I'ma let my wild side lead. It's taking over my
being a good girl, so far so tons are not that. All I want for Christmas is cash, cash, cash. 'Cause all my dreams without money I just ash. No toys, nothing like that. I don't even need a man. Just put some doors on that huge black.
and put some modelling clay in the middle. Now it wobbles. Now let's give our clown some googly eyes with some glue. There we go. There's one. Right, let's stick that one on. There we go. And now there's another googly eye about to go on. Come here, that's it. Now he needs a nose, and that's the pom-pom. Let's put plenty of glue on there. Oh, he's wobbling around everywhere. Now he needs a mouth. So for that, we need the card.
Halfway!
Halfway already? Oh, dear. There's the mouth, like that. There we go. Right, let's cut this out very carefully. Round we go. Oh, round we go with the mouth. Round there and round there. Great. OK, that one goes on there. And now he's got a mouth. All he needs is some hair. So I've put some glue there and some glue there. And then scrunch these two bits up here. You've got yourself a wobbly. Done it! Ball of air drying clay and squidge it into the bottom of our half of the egg. There we go. And then we're going to get a pipe cleaner and wrap it around our finger like that to make a spring. There we go. I'm going to spring into action, Tocky, and push the spring into the clay like that. There we go. That's looking wobbly and good. Now let's make our bug. I've got the small pom-pom here. I'm going to put plenty of glue onto it like that to make a nose. And then I'm going to put on the googly eyes. Here's one. There we go, one googly eye. And here's the other googly eye going on. There we go. And now I just need to stick him into the top of the spring like this. There he goes. You've got yourself one wobbly bug.
Stop the clock!
Thank you, Mr. Maker.
Rock and glue on some googly eyes like this. There's one eye. There's another one. There, two eyes. Now let's give him some funny hair with a pom-pom. Put plenty of glue on there and then stick that on. There we go. And then a nose with a button. There we go. Oh, it needs a bit more glue on the pom-pom. Go on, stick on. There we go. Now let's make a mouth by drawing a funny one on some white paper.
Halfway there!
There we go, like that. Now I'm going to cut these out very carefully with some scissors. There we go. Round there like that. Round and round we go. Don't forget, scissors are sharp, so you can take a bit longer with that bit if you like. Now I need to get some glue and glue it on to the mouth of my ugly rock. I did it!